Hello, I'm Bree Guy with a quick update of what's currently happening. Our atmosphere is very unstable. We have strong southerly winds turning off of this low pressure system. So it's still looking a little dreary out there. A lot of clouds in the sky after those storms did roll throughout the day. We did drop down to 71, which I know a lot of people actually aren't complaining about because today felt hot. We did actually hit a high of 88 today at 12:14 p.m., which is about 4 degrees above the normal. And now that may not sound significant. However, our feel-like temperatures did hit a high of 95 today, which was close to the actual temperature record of 100 in 1953. Be feeling much more comfortable today, especially with dew points dropping significantly too. It's going to be feeling less humid, less muggy out there. There's not going to be any rain, so it's going to be picture perfect weather. And this trend is going to continue on throughout tomorrow. It does start to come back up again on Friday, but it won't be oppressive, so it won't be feeling as bad as it has been over these last couple of days. By Friday evening, though, we will be seeing more severe storms, but those do roll out relatively quickly. There will be a few pop-up showers early Saturday. Just going to keep on trekking up northeast throughout the rest of the week, and it's starting to affect our waters too. Rip current risks are moderate to high, so if you are visiting the beach, make sure that you are being careful too. El Nino, or the warm phase of the El Nino Southern Oscillation Pattern, is a phenomenon that has large global impact. The big picture here is the unique tornado sign that we don't really see in this area a lot. And before you get too excited, it wasn't actually a tornado. It was classified as a funnel cloud by the National Weather Service because it did not actually touch ground. However, it was still pretty exciting to see, and it just tells you what type of system this was today. Tonight, we do drop to 65 in the suburbs. It's going to be a little chilly in the 50s, which is a change from over the last month, really. But it's going to be clear and comfortable, the perfect starry night. We have some interesting updates on what is going on around our very own area, including the impacts of Florence resulting in a tornado outbreak in Virginia. And then a few scattered showers are expected tomorrow afternoon. And then it does turn more severe Tuesday night. But the good news is that this cold front is moving through relatively quickly, so it will clear out just in time for Wednesday. But something exciting that is happening tonight is that Mars is going to be the closest it has been to Earth in 15 years. And the best time to see the red planet will be after midnight, and you should look south. Skies will be clear, so you should have great views of the planet.
Hey, welcome back. It is time to talk weather with Bree Guy. I got to tell you, Bree, yesterday those storms were whoppers. Are we going to see another round like that this afternoon?
Yes, there is a chance for a few potential severe storms to pop up throughout the entire area, and temperatures will also still be very high and feeling very hot, so it's going to be another hot and sticky one out there today as well. So try and stay cool and hydrated. But first, let's start by taking a look outside. There's plenty of bright blue skies out there, plenty of sunshine, and we're already at a high of 81 this morning, and we're just going to keep on rising throughout the afternoon. And the surrounding areas are in the same trend right now as well. Dew points have dropped slightly from yesterday, but you're still going to be feeling the high humidity today. So again, try and stay hydrated today as well. We are forecasting to hit a high of 89, so we are looking to break the heat wave this afternoon, but we're so close to 90 that I'm not going to rule it out completely. Downtrend, you're at 91, and then in other areas, Newark, LaGuardia, you may as very well hit 90 today as well. So a heat wave is not completely out of the question. We have dropped slightly from Monday, and we're going to drop again tomorrow, but this is by no means a cool trend. It's still going to be in the high 80s, and we're going to still feel like in the high 90s. And then even for our forecasted high today by 2, it's going to feel like 97. And then we aren't dropping down much by this evening. And there isn't really much activity happening right now in our area. But by this afternoon, those few scattered showers are expected to hit, and then some of these do have the potential to turn severe and gusty. There are bright orange and reds on the board, and then they stay throughout tonight, just clipping Thursday. But then there are the chance for a few pop-up showers early on Thursday, but they move through relatively quickly. There is a nice break, but there is another cold front moving in right behind this one, so the rain chances do return again for this weekend, so do not put the umbrella away just yet. And then but for tonight, it's going to be hot and sticky for today. Scattered showers, a high of 89. And then by tonight, we are dropping back down to 74, which is still very warm overnight temperature. There's going to be a few leftover thunderstorms, and it's still going to be muggy because the humidity just keeps hanging on to our area. And then by tomorrow, we do come back up to 87, and it's still going to be hot. And then for the rest of the week, though, we do get a slight break on Friday, but the rain chances do return for this weekend and into early next week. So don't put the umbrella away just yet, but we'll still be experiencing some summery temperatures.
Well, you know what? August, it should feel that way. Real quick question. Mets have a day game today, so there's a chance they see a shower, but they should get the game in, right?
Oh, yeah, definitely, because it's going to be scattered throughout the day, so it's going to be a few breaks, so it's not going to be a complete washout.
Yeah, so they'll play the game. All right, thanks, Bree. As always, coming up, we'll talk more sports and check in on the Yankees.